How to add Symbiosis on MetaMask. Are guys facing issues to add Symbiosis on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now tap on the plus icon. After you click on plus icon, tap on search bar and search for Symbiosis. In order to add Symbiosis, just click this box and tap on next. You can see the option for import, tap on it. As soon as you hit the import button, Symbiosis will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add Symbiosis on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.